This stone is so big before when we small. We are walking on the riverside. There are a lot of big stone. Now it's small. Look the stone. They are small now. I don't know what happened for to the nature. So small. Now it's so small. Before it's so big. So small. Yeah. YouTube. So